see what hidden gems we can find. And that is a defibrillator. Hidden gem defibrillator. As you can see, viewers, it is locked, but it's good to see a defibrillator straight away.
Yes, that's nice.
So here, what you can do here is you can hire a bike, and they're actually a supplier of Volts. Now, how this started is that it's owned by the son now, the business is, I know this, and it was his dad's, and his dad had a few bikes in the shed, and he just hired them out to people so they could ride along the Camel Trail. And as you can see, here's all their bikes along here, look. Beautiful place here. There you go. And as I said, they're a specialist supplier of Volts bikes. Okay? Let's have a little sneak out. Oh, viewers. There's the shop there, look. And you can scan for the website there, look, viewers, look. You can scan for the website. There, there. Here's some of your rules and the phone number, and look at this. There's all the bikes in there, all ready to go. Staff only, so we can't go in there, can we, Angel?
No, we can't.
That's private, isn't it?
Yes.
Let's just open the door, viewers, yeah, because they're really friendly in Cornwall, they really are. Hello, sir, you alright? How you doing? Sir, is it okay if I just come in and just show the viewers the bike? We're walking in history, England.
Walking in history, step by step.